My name is Julie. I'm in the radiologic technology department. I shared this lesson with the program in the extension at City College's extension program. We are in the process of getting our curriculum committee to approve a mammography program for our department, hopefully launching in spring 2023. So I started to create a lesson that just generically briefly goes over the female breast anatomy. We don't have models on campus, and at that time, it was during COVID. We didn't have access to our labs. And the model, like I just showed, they could take the labels on and off. As we go down to the lower corner, they could go through the lessons and hear the audio. They could learn about just the generic female breast anatomy. I did an audio on just the ductal system, the fatty tissue. I've tagged on two videos, YouTube videos about the breast anatomy of the female. And then I did an audio, just me going through it. And then I gave them quizzes, multiple choice, and identifying them. The students loved it. They thought it was a great new fresh way of learning, especially, it's different from going into campus and learning about it and seeing on just an image on the slide deck. But here they're being engaged. They have, they could walk through the lesson, they could expand the model, turn it around. So it is a whole different way of learning for them. It is helpful, especially like if for here, like this particular anatomy, you have different layers. So that would be helpful. Well, for this one is like we didn't have access, like I mentioned, to our labs. And even if we did have access, we don't have models like this in our labs. So using this also save costs, right? And time, because trying to get the district to approve purchases, that would have taken forever. But for this is, even with one model, you have like almost 40 students going to try them to take apart one model and learn about it, like in like a large anatomy class. You need like multiple models. Here you just need your computer, access to the app, and you're good to go, where you could break apart the model, turn it around, learn about different parts, right, of the structures of the female breast, watch a YouTube video. Like these things, like you can do from home, rather being in a lab where you're probably just have one model. So that one was beneficial for these students.